إلهنا رب المشرقين.
So here we are, it's about 11 o'clock in the evening and we just left London. So there's Nassim is there.
No, you can even see it.
There's Saif is there. And there's Mobs, Naj and Shamir at the back in the other car. Just left now and inshallah it will be a safe journey.
في فلسطين ولبنان.
See all the brothers all getting ready. Hi. Getting ready. I'm here inside the car just getting ready. Saif is there. He's getting ready. Got some lovely weather. There's Naj. There's Shamir. All getting ready for the climb. You all ready? MashaAllah. Yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? There's Nasir, there's myself. You get me? Where's Mobs? There's Mobs. Mobs is ready, yeah? There, that's it.
وأنت ربنا.
Here we are, the brothers are ready to leave now. You probably can't hear me properly because the waterproof housing is on the camera. Past 8 in the morning. Inshallah the weather is alright. Yeah, the rest of the mountains is underneath the clouds. There we are. Look at this. Go, go, go. There you are. Go. Saif is there at the front. We're doing a nice steady pace. I still need to keep my waterproofing case on. Still raining a bit, but very hot, very warm. Yeah, perfect. Same dropping the gloves. Hold on, hold on. Come on. Come on, be very careful, come on. Listen, do not take a deep step. Yeah? Do not try your best not to step in the water. Use your sticks as much as you can. Yeah? You don't. Watch it. see? Don't step in the water, step on this one. Follow me. Don't step on the water. Come on. Shamil, don't step on the water. Come on. Well done. Use your sticks. Use your sticks. Come on. All of these people have made it safely. Bobs, where are you going? Come back up. Oi! Ah, Bicep, you're stepping in the water. 1.5 hour. I would say we're about quarter of the way up, inshallah, so far. Done good so far for time. Safe. So how are you feeling? Good? We're up in the clouds, as you can see. And it's raining continuously. Nice warm rain, alhamdulillah. About 2 hours. You can see the path itself is now a part of the waterfall. How are you doing? That's it, alhamdulillah. Nice and easy, yeah? The whole time. Alhamdulillah, good stuff. Nice and warm. How you feeling, Saeed? Alhamdulillah. Everyone's all good, that's it. Bob's shoes are totally soaked. Look at that. Yeah. How does it feel? The wind. Oh! Whoa! Come on! Well, watch the poo! Dad, watch the poo, come on! Going back down now. As you can see. We're almost back down now. No problems there. Oh, still raining. Oh yeah. Look at that. We're high, and what we found what Arif left last time is still here. As you can see, still here. It's been preserved by the cold. This is what he left last time on the mountain here in Scafell Pike. Right. Yeah? We're back down, alhamdulillah, we've done the climb. Now what you saying? Mobs? Shout because the case, it's a waterproof case and the sound is not very good. Takbir! 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 Sultan now, look at the beautiful scenery. Well, you can't see much because of the clouds, but it's amazing. Now, we're heading towards the camping, inshallah. What's happened to your hand? Show us. Let's see, take the other one off. Let's look at the other one. So this is where we're planning to spend the night, and we're parked up. Down there we're setting up camp, as you can see. We've got the lake there for our fishing, inshallah. And we just set up a gazebo to shelter the barbecue. There we go. This is where it's all happening. This is where we've got us set up our gazebo. Mobs is taking more romantic pictures by Nassim. Yeah, Nassim's taking the pictures of Mobs. There's the water full of fish. Yeah, it's all good, inshallah. This is where it's all happening, as you can see. My fishing rod. My first cast will be very good. Look around the campsite, everyone doing stuff. Yeah. Don't make too much of a long video. How do I slow? Can I pull it back? Soldier style. Full on. gazebo tents, everything, fishing, lanterns. That's what we're talking about. Check it out. So this is where it's all happening, yeah? There's a barbecue there, spit roast, table, everyone's there, all the camps. Look at this. Huh?
Fishing will start later. I've got the sweet corn ready.
Inshallah. Fighting with the sweet corn. Yeah. That's what we're talking about.
The foil. Put the foil down.
Cut is there. Fire log. Yeah. Checked it all out. We're all set up here. You see us? Can you see the lantern up there?
Someone else get the machete as well. Go.
This is how we do it around here, you know. This is how we camp. All the fake asses left back in London. You don't know what you're missing out. What you say, Robert?
Go.
See me? This is how we do it around here, you know. This is how we camp. All the fake asses left back in London. You don't know what you're missing out. What you say, Robert? Here we are, Shamid. Here we are. So it's all happening here, yeah? There's Nassim, this is our little camp. There's everybody there. There's a fire going. That's what I'm talking about. Has everyone prayed? Here we all are, everyone's in their tents. There's Morgan, I don't know what he's doing up there. We've got our tea rolling. After this tea, we're going to have the chicken tikkas and all of that. This is the inside of my tent. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, give me a light. That's it. We've got a light. Amen. This is us in the tent. It's proper warm, right next to the fire. Alhamdulillah. Very warm out here. It's perfect.
We need to find out which coal is the best one. Charcoal is best, isn't it?
No, but this one, yeah.
It's hard to light, but once it's lit, it will burn. The thing is, it's hard to light, but once it's lit, it will burn. If you're prepared, you can stuff like that.
So here we are, 8 o'clock at night, everyone there, as there, we've got a barbecue down there, alhamdulillah, in our tents already. I think we can't see Saif because he's pointing the light towards us. Now we can. There. Here's the BBQ. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Yeah. This is our marquee. It's all excellent. Got the table set up. Yeah.
Who's got the lighter?
और शब की रौनक जुल्फों से अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह अल्लाहु 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 अल्लाह कंजुल कौमी मौला
Will explode in the camera.
हादिल उममी शरीअती नेमत का खजीना है मौला गंजीना रहमत है आका हादी है तमामी उम्मत के और
There we go. Got campsite fire blazing now by Naj. Everyone's here.
Dried wood.
So our chicken is getting cooked nicely. That's everyone here. That campsite. Look at that. Beautiful.
Turn the meat around.
Yeah. Now we've got the drumsticks on there,
On camera.
on the BBQ.
Bring
Yeah.
it closer.
Look at that. Look at that. Everyone's camping out of there. What's happening, bro? Oh, look, that's just pure pitch black. But there you go.
There's fire. You can see the flame.
Yeah, you can see that's cooking
Ground
nice.
natural.
It's all natural, you know what I mean? It's all natural. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at those drumsticks getting nicely cooked. Wow. Oh, that leaf wasn't meant to be there.
Yeah.
But
It's all
yeah,
natural.
it's all natural. So who's next to me here? There, Mobs. No, Mobs is there, yeah?
Yeah.
Who's up there? Look at that. Yeah, Shamir. Naj. Yeah. Nasim has got his camp there.
Yeah.
Saif. Yeah. Saif, open the finger zip for this one quickly.
It needs to be in there.
Open the zip.
Drumsticks are roasting. Can't see him.
He's asleep in there. Okay, he's completely, what does it look like in there? Yeah.
Sleeping. Yeah, in the forest.
Yeah.
There's a long walk.
Yeah, that's me.
Get a good show yourself.
Is it on me? And now back to the, oh, look at that. That's almost perfect. Look at that. Look at that.
We both.
Nothing in our little tent, as you can see. And then outside there, we've got the fire going, the log fire. Yeah, all them guys are still out there. Yeah. And just in case we get any trouble, we're ready. You know, any wild people come around, the wild animals, yeah, we're ready for them, inshallah. Hopefully have a good night's sleep. We're on rocks, we're on a bit of a hill, and we're right next to the river. Hopefully it doesn't come and wash us away during the night, inshallah. But yeah, that's it. See you in the morning. Just Fred Fajr, some of us brothers. The next load are gonna go now. It was a very interesting night, sleeping on the rocks. We had a very heavy storm that came and blew everything away. It's kind of raining all night. But the fire managed to stay throughout the whole night. Subhanallah. We're gonna cook some beans and tea and all that. And this is how close we were camping, right next to the river.
Water came so close, you can see.
Came right close, yeah? But that was good anyway. Yeah? Look at this. This is proper wildlife. And this is what we've built right in the middle of it. A mansion. We've got a mansion happening over here. Subhanallah. Look at this. Naj is warming his feet next to the fire. That river was cold, isn't it? When you done your wudu? It was colder than yesterday. Yeah. Takbir! 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 So yeah, as we sit here, quite cold next to this very hot fire, by the mercy of Allah, Naj is there sitting with his feet out. We're getting a small taste of what some of our ummah are going through around the world. They are not lucky enough like us to have a fire here, or food, or water, or even tents. Like we've been sleeping in these tents. They kept the rain out, it was raining all night. thunderstorm, we were getting blown away, but still, we had tents, you know, alhamdulillah. A lot of people around the world, our brothers and sisters, don't even have this, you know. It was a very good experience, you know, it was, alhamdulillah, it was a very good experience. It wakes you up. What do you say, Naj? It wakes you up.
100%, bro. Just makes you realize as well, makes you think of, you know, other people, you know, what they're going through. Like we discussed before, this is just a fraction of what, you know, they're going through. We have all this stuff, you know, and at the end of the day, we just have to say, alhamdulillah, Allah has given us this opportunity.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
This, you know, experience.
That's right. Shamir, kita ho.
You realise how we should appreciate more of the stuff that we've got in other countries. They're more worth the condition that we experience in life.
That's
Just need to make sure that we know what we've got running and use it wisely.
That's right. Mobs?
We start to thank Allah for everything because we've got breakfast ready, waiting for us.
Yeah.
People haven't got that. We've got the fire already waiting for us. It was like ready, waiting for us. We woke up and it was already ready, you know. Other people, they can't set fire, they don't have wood. You know.
They don't even have this basic shelter that we have above us.
We got shelter, we got the light.
You know, at home, yeah, at Fajr time, we're so, you know, it just completely goes through our head, you know, when we just switch on the tap and the hot water comes out. But here we go, you know, right here.
This water, you won't believe how cold that water was. And people like us, we just done it once in a blue moon, whereas Muslims out there around the world, they do this every day. And not only just wudu, when they wake up and they need to have a ghusl, they'll have to go in there and they'll have to have ghusl in there, no matter how cold it is. And they'll still do it and they'll still thank Allah. So with that, we say, Alhamdulillah. Hopefully get some eggs and beans and all that in there. There's our little campsite we got. Got the fire going on. There's Shamil coming down. That's the frying pan. Right next to this river full of fish. Mobs is setting up his fishing rod again by the looks of it. There it is, yeah. Oh, easy Shamil, easy. That's it. Well done. There's our tea, and we got a frying pan in here. That's it. There's our camp. There's nothing. It was terrible in that corner. And it's leaning downwards. I was rolling over, and then Nassim was just rolling over onto me, using me as a stop. He was enjoying himself, but it was very, very tough for me. This is all rock underneath us. It's all rock. Very tough. So here we have our tea is on the boil. Nice Indian tea. We've got our fried onions, got beans, got eggs coming up. Alhamdulillah, beautiful breakfast. Naj is there with his bare feet. It's nice and warm right there, isn't it? Yeah? Very nice and warm. Saif is there, enjoying himself. Everyone's there by themselves cutting the onions over there. Yeah? No worries, HD. There's Mobs is doing a bit of fishing over there. How's your fishing going, Mobs? You caught anything yet?
I think I've thrown it in. Hasn't thrown the line.
Yeah. Don't bet us up, Shamil. Alright, yeah. So yeah, I'm here in my tent. And that's it.
Fire's been going all night.
Yep. Those onions are burning up, that's it. There's Mobs about to do his fishing in the back. Okay, he's obviously caught the tree immediately. He's immediately caught the tree.
That was you got the point.
Show him, move out the way.
Oh,
Yeah. You know, everyone's having their beautiful cups of tea. Banging tea. We got the beans. We got the fried onions. We're gonna get the eggs out soon. Really and truly, we could have another barbecue because we still got a bit of meat and all that left, chicken left and all that. Mobs is fishing away. There's another batch of drumsticks. Mobs, plastic bag. Yeah, it's flying away. Go on, Shamid. Don't let any rubbish fly away and stuff. It's starting to rain a bit, but check this out. Gonna get some eggs out soon, inshallah. Check out our little canopy. You know what? Let's just chuck some onion eggs on there. Make it like a little. Chuck the eggs up. We could do. We get a batch of eggs, packet of eggs in there. More shit. Oh, well, look at this. Eggs getting. There's always a tilt here a bit, innit? That's gonna roll off. Put it to the middle, then it'll be more balanced. There you go. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Yeah. Beans are already nice and warm. We'll save them for the next batch. It's very windy there. Mobs' tent is flying away by the looks of it. Toast happening, we've got the eggs there, we've got the beans, so we're having egg, beans and toast inshallah for breakfast. Look at that, perfect toast. Yeah, look at that. Come on everyone, grab your food. Everyone get your plates out. Now take that off, man, that's it. Burn it, burn. Look at that. Come on everyone, toast. Get your plates, Yeah, where's the plates?
Keep an eye on the beans up.
Yeah, beans are fine. Beans can bubble all day long. Come on. Everyone grab a plate. What's the man? Come on. These are our jacket potatoes.
Like eggs, wrap it around.
Show us a close up of it. Well, close up of it means you need to go closer, innit? How many you got so far? We need 7 at least.
I don't want to get
7. Oh, what? You have to have everything.
That's enough long, isn't it?
Beans, everyone eating their beans, eggs and toast. Salami on the fire there. We've got the jacket potatoes underneath. This is serious, you know, this is serious camping. I believe this was the best camping trip anyone ever in history has ever done. Would you all agree?
Yeah.
Oh, no doubt. Look at this. Who's ever built something like this for a camping trip? Look at this. Subhanallah. That's what I'm talking about. Some fried eggs. It's a bit slanted, it's a bit sloped. Salt there.
No, it says slope.
Salt.
No, it didn't say salt, it says slope.
He said slope, he said salt. So they still recording it? let's see with the jacket potatoes.
Oh, is it hot?
Ooh. It is hot. Because it was there for a while now. You know me? Oh, let's see. This is the opening. Come, bring it close, Nasir. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is proper. Huh? Oh, look at that. That is pure jacket potato. We're going to put the butter and the cheese on there, which we don't have. But that. Oh, that's hot. Oof. Okay, that's enough now. So this is where we camped out last night. All this area. This is where we had the barbecue and everything. Can't see a single piece of rubbish. Cleaned it all out as it was before, and even more. Cleaned a lot of other people's rubbish as well. And this is how we Muslims leave things after we've done what we have to do. There we are, we've packed up all the bags, and we're almost ready to go. Look at the sheep. Look at all that. There we are, we've all packed up, left no rubbish anywhere.
No rubbish.
Yeah. Inshallah. So yeah. So how did you all find it? Okay, let's get ready. So how did you find it, Said? Best experience you've ever had in your life. Never in your life would you have ever had a camping trip like you've had an extreme camping trip with the extremists around here. What do you think, Nasir? Good experience. MashaAllah. Shahid?
It was a good experience and even better.
No, not too long, not too long. There's Vaisa brushing his teeth. Yeah. There's Mobs is ready to go. All done, yeah?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Put it on sat nav.
That's it. We're just heading back now. Just looking at back now. That's Mobs' Nissan behind us.
Where is that boat?
And check that out. Look at that.